Hi parents! Happy Sunday! I wanted to take a few minutes to do our learning videos for reading and math, but I'm going to show it to you in this document. I made this document as a weekly guideline with all of the different areas of learning in one document. I'm going to post this on Dojo, and if you're looking at Dojo on your phone, on a computer, on a tablet, you can still pull it up and you would have all of the week's activities based on the learning packet you already have from the district that you got in the mail. And what I also did was I have attached all the links to all of the different items so that if you are holding your phone, let's say for example, and you pull up this weekly format for reading, you can click on the link, see what your student needs to be reading for that day, and then pull it from their packet. I hope this makes the learning schedule maybe a little bit more manageable for you. That's my goal. So without further ado, we know Monday and Wednesday are reading and social studies. That is per the district. Of course, obviously, you guys do whatever you need to do on whatever your schedule needs. This is just kind of a helpful way to manage the learning. I want to make a point about social studies and science. They might look a little bit different than the packets because some of those things we have already done, and so I'm going to incorporate some very small skills. So without further ado, let's get into language arts. Monday, language arts. They have, obviously, each day you read 20 minutes independently. At least 2 days would be a good idea for your students to complete their reader's response. They don't have to do it each day. For Monday, I've attached, if you wanted to pull up a online copy of your learning plan, I've attached a link there. And so we would first listen to The Elves and the Shoemaker, and you can click there. It will bring you up to the storyline. Your student can listen to the story. You guys can talk about what was their favorite part, just some very simple comprehension questions. And then if we go down, it has them complete the Calvin Elementary School Fair flyer. I have attached what that flyer looks like. So in their paper copy, they would scroll down and they would look for that flyer. And we have an answer key here, that way you can check their work. In their paper copy, they also have the packet of the word analysis, so they would complete that Monday. And writing, they're going to be working on that writing that they were working on last week. They're just continuing to change words, edit it, maybe add or take some words away. For Monday on social studies, they're going to watch a continent and ocean brain pop. If you click on the link, it will take you there. Here's the username and password. And then they would take just the easy quiz after watching the video. That's all for Monday for reading and social studies. If I go over to Wednesday, I'm going to look at their comprehension. They would complete a passage called Sasha's Morning. I've attached a copy of it so that they can know what they're looking for in their packet, in their paper packet. They would complete their word analysis skill. And then their writing, they're going to use this checklist right here to check their writing before they start their final copy. For social studies, they would listen to this really fun, cute song. They probably have heard it in second grade, but I love it. The third graders still love it each year. The 7 continents song. And then they're going to complete that continents map in the packet that I mailed to you. That is it for the week for reading and social studies. At the very bottom here, I've added an additional row. I've had some reading resources, so Pebble Go. They love doing research on Pebble Go. There's the link with the username and password. Here's some extra resources. I've attached the 4 squares in there in case you need an extra copy. I've put the Brain Pop video down there for just the Brain Pop website with the username and password. I have put A Boy Called Bat, all of the chapters for the week. And then for Mr. Christian's friends, he has a corner down here where he would like, if you have time, to complete his vocabularies and questions that he's put together for you guys. That is it for Monday and Wednesday for reading and social studies. And I will go on to your next video to talk about your math.